And always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to Rishikesh from Dehradun.
5:35 and Rishikesh is around 36 km from here.
So it will take around 1 hour, and for the first time ever, Omkar Singh is with us. So this is a bike we rented and it's in amazing condition. It's very new. 2000 km chali hui hai ye. Big thumbs up, 2 wheels to go.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. Like the silence, nightmares creep while you and me repeat.
तो ओमकार, कैसा लग रहा है इतनी भीड़ में बाइक चला के?
Hey guys,
So we have finally reached Rishikesh. Took us around 1.5 hours. It was an amazing ride.
and we have just crossed that whole bridge on the bike.
It was all shaking and it was really amazing, fun experience. Now we are finding some camps to stay, and
Because that's probably fun here. So we're gonna find some camps to stay.
I'm cutting this way, cut.
Fuck off.
And tomorrow we'll go for rafting and cliff jumping. So see you there. इतनी भूख लगी थी कि अब खाली प्लेटों के बनाना पड़ रहा शॉर्ट्स। ये सर खा गए सब कुछ।
ऐसे कैसे मेहनत करिए, बाइक चलाइए,
बाइक के पीछे बैठने मेहनत होती। इतनी शक्ल दे। Guys, good morning. So camping couldn't be possible last night. It was too dark to go there. The road was very dangerous. So we stayed in this guest house and it was pretty cool. So now we'll go for rafting and we'll see you there.
So precious, so unique. You showed me how deep my love could be.
और यहाँ से हम होटल से नीचे उतरने की कोशिश में।
Want you to know you're the one I care for.
पेट्रोल बचा रहा है प्रतीक।
We have booked our rafting from here. Now they will take us to the rafting point. So we have parked our bikes here, and from here we'll go to the rafting point. These are the boats, whatever they are called. So let's go.
Yeah, I will care for you. Yeah, I will care for. Yeah.
So guys, we are here at the rafting site.
This is the amazing view and the starting point for the rafting. And this is actually rapid point. कितनी तेज लहरें चल रही है ना, you can actually see it, and we're gonna start rafting from there. समझ नहीं आ रहा, we are getting a mixed feeling. फट भी रही है और मज़ा भी आ रहा है. So kind of confused.
You can see how beautiful and thrilling it is at the same time.
And every time we fall, we will get right back up. The story of life,
हमने ये हेलमेट ले लिया है, ये सेफ्टी के लिए हमारा, और ये लाइफ जैकेट, ये 72 आवर्स तक हमें ज़िंदा ऊपर ही रखेगी पानी के।
So we are wearing this now, and we are about to enter the stream.
Hello, hi.
Guys, it has started raining.
Yo.
चलिए फॉरवर्ड, सीधी प्लेट आगे से पीछे, 4 फिंगर टॉप होल्ड टी ग्रिप। क्या रोल, लो क्या रोल। तो जरा जोर से गंगा मैया की, गंगा मैया की, गंगा मैया की। मैं कहूँगा चिरमिरी चिरमिरी धूम धड़ाका, चिरमिरी चिरमिरी धूम धड़ाका, चिरमिरी चिरमिरी धूम धड़ाका। बोल गंगा मैया की। फॉरवर्ड, यस, फुल पावर, फुल एनर्जी, यस। फॉरवर्ड, यस 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 यस, यस 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 यस, यस 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 यस। Yes, power, power, yes.
So precious, so unique. More, want you to know you're the one I care for. So precious, so unique.
रैपिड में आप लोग जंप कर सकते हैं अगर करने की इच्छुक हैं।
मैं करूँगा।
You showed me how deep my love could be. Let's fly till we can't no more. Want you to know you're the one.
जाओ जाओ, आप भी जाओ। ये
रन दे वो खुद देखो यार।
लता भाई।
मार 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 मार।
Guys, we have taken a stop. Now we're doing cliff jumping here. So much fun right now. And let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Guys, we have started again.
All get down.
So unique. You showed me how deep my love could be.
Relax, relax.
And every time we fall, we will get right back up. The story of life, As long as you be my own, our love will burn. Let's live it for life, for life.
Hey guys, so finally our trip has come to an end. It was a mesmerizing experience.
Rafting part was actually very, very, very mesmerizing. We
was-
did cliff jumping also, and that was extremely fun.
It was damn awesome. So much thrilling and scary. It was so much fun. We'll definitely come back here again.
बहुत मजा आया।
By the way, special thanks to Rentoflick who provided this GoPro. Also, thanks Wheels to Go for providing this amazing bike. The bike was really good. It didn't give any problem. They were really cooperative people and the prices were also very cheap. You can check out their website also in the description. Please like, subscribe and share this video. And thanks for the support. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and peace. Doggy नहीं मिल रहा यार।
कुत्ता का है।
भाई हर वीडियो में डॉगी हो तो डॉगी नहीं मिल रहा।
ये यार काटेगा तो नहीं, इनको बुलाना है हमारे पास।
आजा
मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों शक है कि ये काटेगा।
आजा वीडियो में आजा भाई।
ओ राजा,
हो जा रहा वो भौंक पड़ा छोड़ भाग पीछे आ रहा